this one is percentage, it's compound interest, right? So here, Katie invests £200,000 in a savings account for 4 years. The account pays compound interest at a rate of 1.5% per year. Calculate the total amount of interest she'll get after 4 years, at the end of the 4 years. Right, on a calculator, if you want to increase something by, let's say, for example, 1%, if you want to increase something by 1%, you just times by 1.01. If it's 2%, times by 1.02. If it's 35%, 1.35. All right, that's for increase. That's a quick way of increasing something. So for example, if you had £2,000 and you wanted to increase it by 2% or 3%, if you want to increase it by 3%, you times by 1.03. If you want to increase it by, let's say, 3.2%, it'll be 1.03 and then the extra 2 there. So if you did that, that's a quick way of increasing £2,000 by 3.2% on a calculator. But if you wanted to decrease something, slightly different. If you want to decrease something by 1%, the multiplier would be 0.99, 2%, 0.98. I think you can see a pattern now. 0.97. If it was, let's say, 35%, 0.65. 35, 65 makes 100. Right, need to answer the question now. We start off with £200,000. We're going to, the bank's going to pay interest, so it's a percentage increase. It's going to increase by 1.01, that's 1%, and then put the 5 there, that's 1.5% increase over the period of 4 years to the power of 4. It's what you need to do on the calculator. So this is how much money I'll have in the bank after 4 years. As long as I don't put any extra money in there, that's how much I'll have. But it's actually asking for, so it's asking for the total amount of interest. Okay, how much money have I made? It's not asking for how much money I've got in the bank after 4 years, it's how much money I've made. So I need to further the calculation and find the difference between what I've got now after 4 years and what I had before. If you do the subtraction, this is the interest after 4 years.